Smash like.
Hello there. Day 2. Taping. Remember when we taped this yesterday? No air bubbles in that at all. Alright? But I can still see the tape through the mud. So day 2. The mud is slightly thinner. See? Still sticks to the knife. Sorta. Bloop. But it's like the consistency of like maybe yogurt instead of peanut butter. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the mud box. Should use the hawk really, but I'll just use the mud box. I'm going to use this 3-inch knife. I'm going to use the back. Actually, it's not even a taping knife. All this is the putty knife, and I'm going to slap this onto the wall. And if you mix this mud, if I were to mix this mud and it were too thin, and I either ran out or I didn't want to add any more, I just let this sit for like a minute or so. It'll set a little bit and it'll be thicker. But yeah, I'm just going to cover up the tape above and below. And then I'm going to take my 10-inch knife and I'm going to go all the way down the length of it and feather it out. And then we're going to have nice. So this wall, I said, if you watched the previous video, this wall is textured. So I'm not going to make this super smooth. If I make this super smooth, it's not going to blend in with the rest of the wall. And it looks like whoever did the wall before me or originally used a technique to hide imperfections by making the imperfections so glaringly obvious that they look like they're part of the design. So, which is really actually very clever, I think. See these little bubbles here? So that's the texture that's in here. So you just kind of slap this stuff on the wall and then leave the imperfections to dry. The only thing is when we paint this, we're going to need a cloth. Well, I prefer to use a cloth roller as opposed to a sponge roller because it'll get inside all the little cracks and such. So and they're a little more. The cloth rollers are slightly more expensive, but you clean them out. They're really durable, very reusable. Alright, so I got enough mud on here to cover that first layer. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my 10-inch knife, which I think is up here on the ladder, yep, and my hawk, and I'm going to go this way. And I'm going to go this way. The ladder's in my way there. I'm just going to press on that. Right? Now I can see some of the tape in the middle there, so I'm going to put that back down. Ooh, good thing I've had my tarp down here. Now I'm going to muddy this up, make this look a little more messy. So if you were doing a smooth finish, you would take the knife and apply pretty good pressure and do that. But if you're doing a messy finish, like this, it's kind of don't want to see the tape. You muddy it up there. And then kind of lay it out there like that. So there's our second coat, and we're good. Hope you guys have a great day. I'm going to finish the rest of this wall. And hope you guys enjoy yourselves, enjoy your life. Let me know what you're up to in the comments below, and I hope you succeed in your projects. Smashing like for me helps me a lot. Thanks. Oh, I'm not a professional contractor, by the way, in case you couldn't tell. I'll bet you can tell. Smash like.